Hello football fans, welcome back to our channel. This video is about all latest transfer news, confirmed transfers and transfer rumors. Summer transfer window 2025. Before we get the video, please subscribe for more videos. Aaron Anselmino, age 20, position is centre back from Chelsea to Borussia Dortmund, confirmed. Tyler Debling, age 19, position right winger, Southampton to Everton, confirmed. Alando Garnacho, age 21, position left winger, Manchester United to Tottenham Hotspurs, rumor. Kane Chukwuemeka, age 21, position central midfielder, Chelsea to Borussia Dortmund, confirmed. Julian Alvarez, age 25, position center forward, Atletico Madrid to Arsenal, rumor. Christopher Nkunku, age 27, position center forward, from Chelsea to Aston Villa, rumor. Senne Lammens, age 23, position goalkeeper, Antwerp to Manchester United, rumor. Angelo Stiller, age 24, position defensive midfielder, from Stuttgart to Manchester United, rumor. Carlos Baleba, age 21, position defensive midfielder, right-hand and Hove Albion to Manchester United, rumor. Erling Haaland, age 25, position center forward, Manchester City to Real Madrid, rumor. Alexander Isak, age 25, position center forward, Newcastle United to Liverpool, rumor. Nicholas Jackson, age 24, position center forward, Chelsea to Newcastle United, rumor. Alexander Soloth, age 29, position center forward, Atletico Madrid to Newcastle United, rumor. Jørgen Strand Larsen, age 25, position center forward, Wolverhampton Wanderers to Newcastle United, rumor. Marc Casado, age 21, position defensive midfielder, from FC Barcelona to Chelsea, rumor. Alessandro Bastoni, age 26, position centre back, from Inter Milan to FC Barcelona, rumor. Renato Veiga, age 22, position centre back, from Chelsea to Villarreal, confirmed. Victor Boniface, age 24, position center forward, from Bayer Leverkusen to AC Milan, confirmed. Andy Diouf, age 22, position central midfielder, from Lens to Inter Milan, confirmed. Edison Alvarez, age 27, position defensive midfielder, from West Ham United to Fenerbahce, confirmed. Harvey Elliott, age 22, position attacking midfielder, from Liverpool to RB Leipzig, rumor. Julio Enkisio, age 21, position attacking midfielder, from Brighton to Chelsea, confirmed. Nemanja Matic, age 37, position defensive midfielder, free agent to Sassuolo, confirmed. Marc Casado, age 21, position defensive midfielder, FC Barcelona to Olympique Marseille, rumor.